Hi guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to my channel. This week we will be making spooky spider chocolate Halloween cupcakes with, wait for it, cream cheese icing. They're so delicious and so easy to make. Let's get started. We're first going to start with the chocolate cupcake. In a large mixing bowl we will add the sugar, flour, the cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix to make sure that all the ingredients are well combined and that there are no lumps. In a separate mixing bowl, we will add our egg, a little bit of vanilla, and oil. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Wet mixture to the dry mixture and mix until all the ingredients are well combined. While I was mixing, I saw that the mixture didn't look quite right. I forgot the milk. Oops! Much better. And lastly, we add the hot water. It's what makes these cupcakes so delicious and moist. No dry cupcakes over here. Prepare your baking pan with these baking cups. Fill your baking cups with the batter 2/3 of the way. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at around 150 degrees Celsius. Next, we will move on to the spiders. We will start by melting our chocolate in the microwave. Make sure to stir continuously to make sure that the chocolate does not burn. For the spiders, I printed spider silhouettes. So you place your A4 white paper on a flat surface and then cover it with a piece of baking paper. Place your melted chocolate in a piping bag and then you pipe the melted chocolate over the silhouette of the spiders. It doesn't have to be perfect, but use it as a guide. To finish off your spider, you can use a chocolate-covered raisin and a Malteser. I also made a few smaller spiders. I decided to use different silhouettes of spiders because I think it will give the cupcakes a nice creepy effect. And then lastly, we will make the cream cheese icing. Start by creaming your butter in a large mixing bowl. When you're finished creaming your butter should be fluffy and light in color. Then we can add our cream cheese. There's a lot of icing in this mixture, so I decided to first add half of the icing, mix well, and then add the second batch. You can add your pink food coloring and a little bit of vanilla for taste. For my favorite part, let's get decorating. Pipe your delicious cream cheese icing onto your cupcake. I used a Wiltoned 2D nozzle tip. And then to finish off this beauty, you can choose one of your spiders and place it on top of your cupcake. guys have it, my Spooky Spider Chocolate Halloween Cupcake with cream cheese frosting. Now, I'm not particularly crazy about spiders, but I think these cupcakes look pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below if you like spiders or if they terrify you. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please also let me know in the comments below. Remember, as always, to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you guys soon.